Hi guys, so now let's learn about how we can format our code using black, okay, and why it's needed because we have a lot of code, right? And those code are not formatted properly and causes a lot of issues in understanding it. And when you do some commit, then you may face an issue that there is a change in a code but we haven't did any change like that, right? And you have created PR, you haven't did any change but you formatted it, and it's if it's not properly formatted by a person, then it causes an issue to us, right? So let's learn about how we can format Python code. Okay, so flag cute. I'm creating a new repository as we did it for others. Okay, and then create a main file. Okay, and inside that I will be just pasting it from the last one. That is our pilot. From there, I will copy this same code. Okay, and here I will add the poetry, and inside that I will add black, and then I will format it. Okay, let's do that. So cd black cute, okay, poetry initiate. I don't want to change anything, just keep them default, okay, and then poetry shell to activate my virtual environment. Once it's done, then I want to add black black. So that is added now, and after that, what we need to do is just need to run this code using black. Okay, it's installed. Now let's run black main py. So you see it formatted our file in a more good way, and you can see it more formatted code. Okay, so this is the way how you can format your code using black, and I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.